Hello children, this is Amita. Today's topic parts of plants, and we will start this series parts of plants. Okay, this topic will taken from CBSE pattern for grade 4th student and 3rd student. So let's start. So we know about children already know about plants. We can easily see in our garden, in our park, in our surrounding. So many plants, different types of plants found in our nature. Okay, I think nature is depend upon plants. Okay, all human beings and all animals and all living creature depend upon plants, because plants make their food capable for make their food. Okay, self. Okay, by process of photosynthesis. Okay, so this is a main characteristic of plants, and here discuss about parts of plants. So let's start. Plants, here this is a diagram of plants. Okay, this is a diagram of plants. Okay, this is a plant. Consider that you can see in your screen. This is a plant. Okay, this is a plant here. Here this is a fruit. Okay, fruit and birds. Here this is a birds and this is a flower. Okay, make a flower. So this is a flower. Okay, flower. This is showing on your screen very clearly description, and birds, fruit, flower and branches, and this is a ground. Roots and ground. Okay, so label this diagram. Okay, so let's start. This is a leaf, bird, fruit, leaf, bird, fruit. Okay, see on your screen. This is a very clearly part showing on your screen. Okay, leaf, bird, fruit and flower. Okay, and this is a branch. Okay, and this is a root. We know children, the part of a plant grow above the ground. This portion is called shoot system. So please see carefully. You can see in here. This is the shoot system. The shoot system. Plants have two systems, the shoot system and the root system. The part of a plant grow above the ground. This is called shoot system, and the part of the grow below the ground. This is called root system. Okay, this is called the root system. The root system. Okay, so here noted here. First point, parts of a plant: leaf, branch, bird, leaf, branch, bird, fruit, flower. This is a parts of a plant. Okay, we know that children, so many different types of plants found in our surrounding. You can see very easy. Some are big, some are tall, some are short. So very different kinds of plants found in our nature. Okay, so this is a very simple way of description of parts of plants. This is a leaf, branch, bud, fruit and flower. This is a plant series. Okay, and first part discussed here. Okay, so the parts of plants grow above the ground. Grow above the ground. This is called shoot system. Grow above the ground. Grow above the ground, called shoot system. Grow below the ground. Grow below the ground. This is called root system. Okay, and grow above the ground. This is called shoot system. Shoot system consists of leaf, branch, bud, fruits and flowers, and root system consists of roots. Okay, so this topic discuss about next video, and here we only discuss about parts of plants. Okay, so next topic we will come about plants. Some fact of plants. We know about some fact of plants. Plants cannot move place to place. So noted here, plants cannot move. Plants cannot move place to place. Cannot move place to place. Okay, plant cannot move place to place, but their leaves can move because leaves catch the sunlight or trap the sunlight for process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means the plants of leaves capable for make their own food. Okay, this is a very little bit description, but their leaves, here green line noted here, this is a leaves. Keep in mind, plants leaves, but their leaves trap or catch the sunlight. Trap or catch the sunlight. Okay, trap or we can say here catch the sunlight, or we can say here absorb the sunlight. The plant's leaf absorb the sunlight for during photosynthesis, for the process of photosynthesis. 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 The process of photosynthesis. Here only seen this is a leaf. Consider that the small little plant, this is a leaf. Okay, this is a leaf. Here you can see on your screen, this is a leaf and this is a sun. Okay, sunlight comes and absorbed by the leaf. Sunlight. This is the sun. Sunlight absorbed by the leaves of plants. Okay? Okay? Sunlight absorbed by the leaves of the plants during process of photosynthesis. Okay? During process of photosynthesis, So this is a very little bit description. Okay, and their leaves, about leaves, and their roots absorb the water from the soil. But plants cannot move place to place, but their leaves, plants leaves absorb and trap or catch, we can say traps sunlight from the sun, comes from the sun. The trap, and during photosynthesis process, photosynthesis means plants leaves make a food capable for make their own food. Okay, so and their next point noted here, plants roots absorb water. Plants root absorb water from the soil. We will go to this diagram and see there, this is a root. This is a root, and this point described here, this is a root, absorb the water from the soil. This is a soil, and this is a root, absorb the water from the soil. You can see here, this is a water, consider there, water, absorb from the soil. By the roots of plants. Okay? Okay? So, this is a point where noted here, very important point of plants. Plants roots absorb water from the soil. Okay? And third point, and their seed can be carried by animal or blown by wind. Okay, and their seeds, and consider this apple, the apple beach found inside them for fruit of apple. Consider the fruit of apple. This is a diagram of apple. Okay, and cut this part, and you are showing here, this is a seed found inside them. Okay, this is a seed, it's an apple. This is a seed. Okay, so their seeds, plant seeds, carried by the animal. Animals and or blown by wind, and blown by the wind and or blown by the wind. Okay, so this is a little bit description of parts of plants. So let's start. Revise again. This is a diagram of plant. This is a leaf. You can see on your screen. This is a leaf, bud, fruit, flower, and branches. This point. Okay, this is a branch. Okay, branch of plants, and the part of plants grow above the ground. This is called shoot system. The part of plant grow below the ground. This is called root system. So though plants have a two system, the root system and shoot system. Okay, the shoot system and root system. So this topic we will discuss about next video. Here only discuss about this. Okay, so leaf, branch, bud, fruit, flowers. Okay, and here come to the point. Plants cannot move place to place. Plants cannot move place to place like us, like human beings and animals. But their leaves but their leaves trap or catch the sunlight. Capable for trap the sunlight for during process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means plants leaves capable for their food own. Okay, capable for make their own food. Okay, and plants root absorb water from the soil. This is a diagram. Come to the diagram and see here. This is a root of plant. Okay, and root absorb the water and mineral from the soil. Water absorbed from the soil by the roots of plants. Okay, and plant seed carried by animal. Plant seeds carried by animal or blown by wind. Blown by the wind. Okay. Plant seed carried by the animals and or the blown by the wind. Okay, so we will end this video here, and I will request you all, please subscribe, like and more share and press red button and for next notification of next series. Okay, so this is a plant series, and next series we will come about the shoot system and root system of plants. So thank you, take care, goodbye and stay in home. God bless.